gray color you can make with the help of white and black. Right now I'm having every color ready made, so I'm using it. Now for this thing I'm using a round brush number 1. First I'll go with the gray color, and good about using acrylic color is that we can always apply color on the previous layer. Now each color is not going to be visible too much, but at few places we can see the color. While doing color, make sure that there are no visible strokes coming, and I'm coloring on the black line as well. I wanted that the black is not visible on the corners, as we are just showing that this portion is gray in color. Okay, and over here as well. So now you can see that I have not used a drop of water in the color, even though the color is thick. The reason is the base is already having some color, so we need to coat off the second layer. Although gray is a dark shade, but sometimes it is opaque, so we have to make sure that when we have color on the colorful base, so it will not show that there are some other colors on the base. So if you are using any other color medium, that might be little difficult for you to use gray. Otherwise, you will continue with the black color. So these two building sides are having the gray section, and other than that we have black color. So I will be using black color. For using black, we don't need to literally wash our brush, but that's a routine. So we wash it. But whenever we are using another color, so whenever you are making painting on a canvas panel or a stretched canvas, make sure that the sides are also the part of the painting. If you are not bordered it or feel that the color is a bit dry, although this is simple solid filling color, but still we have to be very careful while coloring on the edges. The edges are not smooth, they will not look beautiful. Sometimes small painting look like that these are just a piece of cake, anybody can make it. No, even those small paintings require our attention and as well as our patience. Now for this building, for this particular piece you can use pen as well for making the lines as I have shown you with the pen, but when you are using canvas, the thing is you cannot work smoothly with pen. To draw it with pencil if you are not comfortable using paint directly. Even the building part is thing which you can do easily as it has some big blocks to color. The actual patience you have to show when you will be making the fairy lights. When you're coloring, you have to make sure that your lines are coming the way you want it. My color is thick, so I have to dip my brush in water. Now if you want, you can add details over here as well. So that I will be doing. like this.